I got this kit for beginning knitters, and it says it's made in China, so all of the labels of the yarn are in Chinese, and I can't see the specifics, but this is about a 1.6 ounce ball, and this looks like cotton to me, and I'm a pretty experienced knitter, so I'm familiar with the yarns. This has a couple different sets of needles in it. It has the four skeins of yarn, and you can get this in different colors. It has a set of wooden needles, which, you know, these are beginner stuff. This is a beginner set. It's not the sturdiest of needles, but it will work. And the thing that I like about it is that it does give you some metal needles, which I prefer over the wood. And you can try both out to see which one you like best. There are a lot of different kinds of needles to choose from. This set also has a book, and I'm trying to dump out the accessories. Let's see. Okay, so it has a little pair of scissors. You take this off and it's like little snippers so you can cut the yarn. And this is a needle gauge finder. So if you're not sure what size the needle is, you stick it into here and it'll tell you what size the needle is. And you do need different size needles depending on how thick the yarn is that you're doing and what you're making. And it also has some tapestry needles to finish off things, so that's good to have. And then this booklet. Now the one thing I'll say about this booklet, and this is good that they put cotton for the dishcloths. It's pretty much, it's different dishcloth instructions. Not everything on here is in this kit. You probably don't need a lot of the stuff that they're saying, you know, it's just equipment. They're just showing you the equipment. This stuff is fine, but as I'm going through these stitches, the way that they're telling you to do the purl stitch is just objectively wrong. So it's a little strange, but I tried it, and for people who are used to knitting, this is how it looks like on the right side. It looks fine. It looks fine on the right side. It looks the same. On the back side, the way that they tell you to do the purl stitch, you get kind of a double row, which is a little odd. This first part here is a normal purl stitch, and this is how they say to do it. So I was looking at the instructions, I was getting a little confused, but it will work. I mean, you can do it either way. I just think it's gonna, it gives you kind of like a thicker wrong side. It's interesting, but you're probably gonna go online anyway to watch videos of people knitting if you're learning how to knit. And I think some of these instructions, if you're just looking at the drawings, are a little confusing. So it's a good idea to go online to see people knitting. But other than that, I think that the colors in this set are pretty. They're nice and pastel. The yarn is good. It's just a cotton, it's a thin cotton yarn. And you can get this in other colors too, but I got this little pastel set, and I think it'll make some nice little dishcloths.